The textile workshops allow students to come and express their projects onto cloth. We've got some large screen printing tables, as well as a fully equipped dye kitchen. In the digital printing room, we've got a digital printing machine, as well as a sublimation printer and the heat press. In the construction workshop, the students can use the looms. We've also got a digital loom, as well as plenty of knitting machines and lots of sewing machines too. So they can be very expressive and very experimental with the different techniques.
I think it's sort of the range of resources that we have here that's really useful. We also can combine all of them, which is really different, I think, for a university, and we're really encouraged to do that by our technicians. It is so helpful having technicians because they have so much knowledge and experience that obviously we don't have. You have the design knowledge, but you don't necessarily have the knowledge that will allow you to make that real. And they also encourage you to try different processes, which is really good, like you might not have thought of before. They're just really helpful.
I love my job so much here because we see such a range of students, and it's great seeing them develop their skills to go into industry or just working for themselves as well.